Hey there! Have you ever stopped to think how exposed your personal info might be in this digital age? With cyber threats on the rise, prioritizing cybersecurity is not just smart, it's essential. Welcome to today's video. I'm here to walk you through the steps to forge a hack-proof cybersecurity fortress, whether you're safeguarding personal data or protecting a business. Let's talk threats. Phishing, malware, ransomware. These aren't just buzzwords. They are sophisticated tools designed to pry into our private lives. Understanding these is the first step to combat them effectively. Now, how do we fortify our digital defenses? It starts with the basics. Strong, unique passwords for each of your accounts, enabling two-factor authentication, and keeping your software up to date to stay ahead of security vulnerabilities. But here's the real game changer: regular security audits and thorough training for your team. These aren't just good practices, they are shields that protect your data from cyber onslaughts. To wrap up, robust cybersecurity measures are indispensable in our digital world. By elevating our security standards, we safeguard our sensitive data and stay resilient against attacks. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more essential cybersecurity tips. Got a question or a story about cybersecurity? Drop it in the comments below. Let's push for a safer digital future together. Stay safe out there.